Hello friends, welcome back to Online Math. We're going to be solving this equation right here. Okay, so but just before we proceed, if you are new to our channel, just do what to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and of course that's a way to support what we are doing over here. So having said that, we're going to proceed right into this video. We're going to leave this one that contains this radical in this side, and then I will move x to the right hand side. So this is actually going to be 4 minus x. Okay, in order for me to remove this square root, I'm actually going to square both sides. Okay, and that be the case, minus power 2 minus 1 power 2 is actually positive, and then this cancels this, so I'm left with x is equal to, so to expand this is 4 times 4, which is 16, and then minus 2 times 4 times x, that will be minus 8x. Okay, so I'll also use minus x to multiply itself, and that will give me x squared. So if I rearrange these, I'm going to be having x squared, okay, minus 8x minus x if this one comes here, and then plus 16 is equal to 0. So this will be equal to x squared minus 9x plus 16 is equal to 0. So obviously you can see that this is a quadratic equation, and then I'm just going to be applying the formula methods to solve this. So in this case, if I compare this to the general form of a quadratic equation, a will be equal to 1, and that's the coefficient of x squared. B will be equal to negative 9, and that's the coefficient of x. And c, which is a constant, is 16. So eventually, I'm going to substitute all of these values in this formula. X will be equal to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c. Now this divided by 2 times a. So substituting, I'm going to be having minus into minus 9 plus or minus the square root of minus 9 raised to the power 2. Okay, and then minus 4 times 1 times 16. All of these divided by 2 times 1. So moving on, this is 9 plus or minus square root of 81 minus 4 times 1 times 16 here will be equal to 64. All of this divided by 22 times 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, so this will be equal to 9 plus or minus the square root of, so if I subtract this, 17, and then divided by 2. Okay, so eventually x will be equal to plus or minus root 17. Okay, I can actually factor this 1 over 2 out. So this is actually what the value of x is going to be. Okay, but then you may also decide to find out the decimal value, so you can also continue simplification right there. So our x can also be 9 divided by 2 plus root 17 divided by 2, or 9 divided by 2 minus root 17 divided by 2. And then continue from here, x will now be equal to 4.5 plus 17 divided by 2 will be equal to 2.0616. Okay, or 4.5 minus 2.0616. And then x will be equal to, if we add this, you're going to be having 6.5616, or when you subtract this, you're going to be having 2.4384. Okay, so this will be the two decimal values of x. Okay, so basically that is how you solve it, and then let me have your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel for more updates, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.